Project management theories provide essential frameworks that guide professionals in planning, executing, and closing projects effectively. Understanding these theories is crucial for project managers, as they offer insights into best practices, methodologies, and strategies for managing resources, timelines, and stakeholder expectations. One foundational theory is the Waterfall model, which is a linear and sequential approach to project management. Developed in the 1970s, this model emphasizes a structured process where each phase of a project, requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance, must be completed before moving on to the next. The waterfall model is particularly useful for projects with well-defined requirements and low levels of uncertainty, as it provides clarity and predictability throughout the project lifecycle. In contrast, Agile project management has gained prominence in recent years, particularly in software development and industries characterized by rapid change. Agile methodologies, such as Scrum and Kanban, emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and iterative progress. This theory posits that projects should be divided into smaller, manageable increments called sprints, allowing teams to adapt to changing requirements and deliver value continuously. Key principles of Agile project management include customer collaboration, responsiveness to change, and the importance of self-organizing teams. By adopting Agile methodologies, project managers can foster a more adaptive and collaborative environment that enhances innovation and responsiveness. Another significant theory is the critical path method, CPM, which focuses on identifying the longest sequence of dependent tasks in a project to determine the shortest possible project duration. Developed in the 1950s, CPM allows project managers to visualize task dependencies and prioritize activities that directly impact the project timeline. Key principles of CPM include the identification of critical tasks, the calculation of float or slack time, and the optimization of resource allocation. By utilizing CPM, project managers can effectively manage project schedules and ensure timely completion. The Program Evaluation and Review Technique, PERT, is another important project management theory that complements CPM. PERT focuses on analyzing the time required to complete each task and assesses the uncertainty associated with project timelines. This theory employs probabilistic estimates to calculate expected project durations, allowing project managers to better understand risks and uncertainties. Key principles of PERT include the use of three-point estimation, optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely durations, and the visualization of task dependencies through PERT charts. By integrating PERT with CPM, project managers can enhance their ability to manage complex projects with uncertain timelines. Lean project management is a theory that emphasizes maximizing value while minimizing waste. Originating from lean manufacturing principles, this approach focuses on delivering value to customers by eliminating non-value-added activities and optimizing processes. Key principles of lean project management include continuous improvement, respect for people, and the importance of delivering value from the customer's perspective. By adopting lean principles, project managers can streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and foster a culture of continuous improvement within their teams. The theory of constraints, TOC, is another significant project management theory that focuses on identifying and managing constraints that limit a project's performance. Developed by Eliyahu M. Goldratt, TOC posits that every project has at least one constraint that must be addressed to achieve project goals. Key principles of TOC include the identification of the constraint, the exploitation of the constraint to maximize throughput, and the subordination of other processes to support the constraint. By applying TOC, project managers can enhance overall project performance and ensure that resources are allocated effectively to address bottlenecks. In recent years, the hybrid project management approach has emerged, combining elements of both traditional and agile methodologies. This theory recognizes that different projects may require different management styles based on their unique characteristics and contexts. Key principles of hybrid project management include flexibility in selecting methodologies, the integration of agile practices within traditional frameworks, and the importance of stakeholder engagement throughout the project lifecycle. By adopting a hybrid approach, project managers can tailor their strategies to meet the specific needs of their projects and organizations. In conclusion, project management theories provide valuable insights that inform project practices and strategies. The Waterfall model, Agile project management, critical path method, program evaluation and review technique, lean project management, theory of constraints, and hybrid project management each offer unique perspectives on how to effectively manage projects. By integrating principles from these theories, project managers can navigate the complexities of project execution, enhance team collaboration, and drive successful project outcomes. Understanding and applying these theories empower organizations to thrive in an increasingly dynamic and challenging project environment.